Hello and welcome to Anago Maths. I'm going to be answering questions on negative indices. And the best way to do this, to learn this, is press pause and have a go at the question yourself. And then after that, you press play and listen to the explanation. And don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. And feel free to add comments or ask any questions you need in the comment section below. Negative indices. Question number 1, find the value of 2 to the minus 3. The formula I'm going to use is, or the rule is written like this. A to the minus n is equals to 1 over a to the power n. That's the rule I'm going to use. So this 2 to the minus 3, I'll write it as 1 over 2 cubed. And 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. So 1 over 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So it's 1 over 8. That's the answer for that first one. And 3 to the minus 2, you write it as 1 over 3 squared, which is the same as 1 over 3 times 3, which is 1 over 9. And 5 to the minus 1 is 1 over 5 to the power 1, which is just 1 over 5. 10 to the minus 4, 1 over 10 to the power 4, which is 1 over 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1 over 10,000. 1 over 10,000. That's how you do those type of questions. Question number 2. Press pause, have a go at the questions, and then come back and check your answers. Don't forget to click like and subscribe so you can see more videos like this. For the first one, 2 to the minus 3 is 1 over 2 cubed times 1 over 4. 2 cubed is 8. So that is the same as 1 over 8 times 1 over 4. You multiply the top. 1 times 1 is 1. Multiply the denominators. 8 times 4 is 32. And that's your answer for the first one. And for the second question, you will have 10 to the minus 2 is 1 over 10 squared times 2 to the minus 4 is 1 over 2 to the power 4. 10 squared is 100, so it's 1 over 100 times 2 to the power 4 is 1 over 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 2 is 16. Multiply the numerator. 1 times 1 is 1. 16 times 100 is 1600. For part C is the one that students tend to get wrong because they forget to write it out clearly. This is 5 times 1 over 5 cubed. Notice the 5 there is like 5 over 1. That's where students make mistake. That's 5 over 1. So it's 5 over 1. 5 over 1 times 1 over 5 cubed is 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. So you multiply the top. 5 times 1, it gives you 5. And then multiply the denominators. 1 times 125, it gives you 125. And 5 divided by 125, when you simplify it, is 1 over 25. And then part D, D for delta, is 8 times 1 over 2 cube. So it's 8 over 1 times 1 over 8. So you multiply the numerator, it becomes 8 over 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Uno in Spanish. Or what you can do before, you can just cross out the 8, cross out the 8, and you're left with 1. That's another way to do that. Question number 3. Write these numbers in order of size. Start with the smallest. So we want to get the smallest first. So what we want to do is smallest to the biggest. You want to write the numbers in a way that you can compare them. So 3 squared is 9, because that's 3 times 3. 3 to the minus 1 is 1 over 3. And 1 over 3, if you put it to divide it, 1 divided by 3, it gives you 0.33 recurring. And this one is just 0.3. 3 to the 0 is just 1. 3 to the minus 2 is 1 over 3 squared, which is 1 over 9. And 1 divided by 9 is 0.11 recurring. And then minus 3 for the last one. So now we can compare them. The smallest is minus 3. That color is not too clear. The smallest is minus 3. The next is 3 to the minus 2, which is 1 over 9. 3 to the minus 2. And after that, 0.3. And then after that, 3 to the minus 1. 0.3 and 3 to the minus 1 are the one that confuses students, if you see there. One of them is just 0.3. This one is 0.33333. One of them is 0.333. And this one is just 0.3. The next one after 3 to the minus 1, 3 to the power 0, which is just 1. And the largest one is 3 squared, which is 9. So that is it from smallest, from the smallest to the biggest. Question 4. I'm glad there are some students who understand this type of questions, and they can do it in some very quick methods. So 2 to the power x is the same as 1 over 64 is 2 to the power 6. So 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2, 2 to 8, 8 times 2, 16, 16 times 2. So 2 to the power 6. And now we have to take this to the numerator. This is the formula we are using. 1 over a to the power n is equals to a to the minus n. Is the reverse of question 1. So we'll take that to the top. So that will mean 2 to the power x is equals to 2 to the minus 6. Now the 2 underneath is the base. This base is the same. These two, let me write it out so it don't get confused here. This 2 and this 2 is the base, and they are the same. The same base, so their power would be the same. the same base, and the power, that's the power, the powers will be the same. So we're going to have the same power. So that means x is equals to -6. And that will be your answer. And you can mark it with your green pen. So that's how you do those questions. So don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of this. Thank you very much. Hope that helps.